Warning, ugliness, morning routine. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, I guess it's time to wake up. Beep, beep, beep. Shut off the alarm. Oh, kitty cat. Meow, meow. Kitty cat, meow, meow. Cuddles. Can we cuddle? Meow. Meow. Cuddles. Oh, cuddle. Kitty cat, meow, meow, meow. Oh, oh, my little baby kitty. Oh, I see. I see you don't want me. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Time to get dressed. What to wear? What to wear? Maybe if I maybe look around the room, I'll find something. Oh, wait, is this an outfit? Oh, that's kind of cute. Okay, time to start the day. I wonder what's to eat. What is there to eat? Dang, we need to go shopping.
I got my blanket, Mama.
Just get her to start the day. Guess it's time to check the mail. Dang it, I forgot to put on shoes. Live through the pain. Oh, it's hot. Wait a minute. Okay. You can make it. Jump! There we go. Almost there. Alright. Guess the mail didn't come yet. All that for nothing. Live through the pain.
I'll get it next to you.
Okay. There you go. Back upstairs. Okay. Woo! Wait. Wait, where are my glasses? Here, glasses, glasses. Here, glasses. 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 Glasses, where are you? Glasses. There you are. Ah, precious little angels. Better. Now I can binge watch my favorite show. Load, computer. There we go. Don't judge me. I like Puss in Boots, okay? Dumb computer. Okay. A bunch of cool stickers. There's Star Wars stickers, there's Mickey stickers. It's very cool. I like this app a lot. I totally recommend it. I'm gonna go and do YouTube now. And then what you can do is you can save the video. I go over to iMovie. It's also a free app. I'm gonna make YouTube videos now. Okay, that's enough out of you.
Press create movie.
That's enough. That's enough. Okay, yeah, that's enough. Don't judge me. I like Puss in Boots, okay? Alright, we're gonna go to power. Power. Now, shut down. No hard feelings, Mr. Computer. I'll get on you later. I'm sorry. Mr. Computer, I don't mean to do this, but you gotta go bye-bye. No, Mr. Computer, it's not like that. No, Mr. Computer. Mr. Computer. No. No. Fine. Yeah, no hard feelings, huh? No hard feelings? No hard feelings? You're going in the bag. Yeah. No, you're going in the bag. You're going in the bag. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No more, Mr. Computer. No more. Binge watch over. Guess you can go back in your place, Mr. Pineapple. Just can figure out something else to do. I'm gonna go check the mail. Lifters paid. Much better. Almost there. The grass is getting drier. It means it's getting hotter and hotter and no more grass. Live through the pain. Okay, step on the gravel. Okay. Did it finally come? Of course it didn't. The mail's not here yet. Check back in with you guys when the mail gets here. Better. Jump! I know this so well. Oh my god, here comes the sidewalk. Listen to the pain. Hey guys, okay, so the reason I have been taking so long, oh, hold on, the lighting right here sucks. The reason I have been taking so long to upload this and going to the mailbox twice is because I was waiting for this package to come, and it involved YouTube, so I thought I'd share with you guys. Okay, let's open this. Okay, all right. iPhone tripod. I got a tripod, guys. Okay. Oh, cat. Jesus, you mind? Move your butt. Move your butt. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. My gosh, guys. Get away, cat. It's a flexible tripod. Yes! Oh. And here's the phone. Can it even stretch out? Can I swear to God? Can this even stretch out? Will it even fit my phone? Oh, yeah, it goes up. Okay. Oh, we better check it out. We have to check it out. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, wait, idiot. Okay, hold on. I'll get back to you guys whenever I get it done. Alright, guys, I got it done, and it's a flexible tripod. Okay, we're gonna try it out, okay? Holy crap, guys. Okay, you guys are gonna sit on the tripod. Okay, guys, you're on the tripod. Oh, it works. And the next thing in here is microphone. I got a freaking microphone. Okay, all right. Unbox this. Okay, you can't, I swear to God. Sorry, I just get a little testy when I get packages. Oh, it comes in a little bag. Okay. Get your butt back there. Okay. So, here's the freaking microphone, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna, so this, my headphone jack does not work. So this doesn't work. But I have a genius idea. I will be right back. Okay, guys, tell me if this works. Hello? Hello, hello. Can you guys hear that? Oh my gosh, guys, it works. See the difference. Hello. 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 This is awesome, and I can clip it to my shirt, I think. Here we go. I have a microphone. Let's see. Figure out a good place to put it. You guys are watching this, huh? Okay, guys. While I am figuring out where to put this, thank you for watching. Alrighty, guys and gals. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to be wait, I'm impersonating. Okay, alrighty, guys and gals. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and destroy the comment section. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.